Right. Hey guys, so today we're at the park because my sister wanted to go. It's kind of cold, but my sweater is keeping me warm. My mom overreacted a bit. She said I had to wear a thick coat, but I didn't. I just came from a club that we have on Saturdays at the local library. It's called Film Club. So what you do is basically you just film stuff. We are trying to make a TV series called Tempest, so that's exciting. Maybe next time I might vlog there if I can. So, and there's my stepdad. He's having fun too. Oh my gosh.
Where are you going?
Look at her butt. It looks big because of the
It's
thing.
like a Teletubby.
Yeah.
Teletubby!
Oh my gosh. You hear her? She just keeps running. Oh jeez. It snowed last night, but most of it melted. Oh jeez. She's kind of, oh gosh.
Come on.
She wants help. Oh, she wants to go with you.
Okay, we go together. Look.
What do you mean no?
Wait.
Do your hips fit? Oh. Don't fall on your face.
Wait. Drop.
Let go of it. Whoosh. Oh my gosh.
Her ass is like that.
You don't have to wait. Oh my god.
I'm faster.
It's getting kind of windy.
Yes, ducha means blow, but can be blowing.
I don't need to know that.
Let's go here.
Oh, there they go.
Go. Boogeyman.
Boogeyman.
Wait.
Wait, can I reverse the... Do you want to push me? Yes? Okay, hold on.
I'll push you. Go.
Are you going to push me?
Sit.
It's so bright, I can't see anything. Well, you're never too old for the swings. Oh jeez, my stepdad's pushing me. Ah!
No. Let's see how far you can
Oh,
go.
no. Oh my god. Ah, that's good. This is scary. Ah, that's good.
Wait.
Oh.
Do it. Right. See, Alexandra has more. Oh.
Well, she doesn't know fear yet.
Holy shit.
Yeah, you're gonna flip.
Wow. Push?
Push? Okay.
Push you. Go, JJ. JJ, go.
Oh, whoa!
Hold on tight. Hold on tight.
Where's your hat? Don't you want your hat on?
Hold on tight, Bible.
Whoa! Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, you gotta
Jeez.
hook here. See?
Jiji's turn.
Jiji's turn.
I'll push you, I'll push you. No, I'll push you.
No, go. First I'll push.
Daddy shoes. Daddy shoes.
Oi! Uh-oh. uh, okay, let's go to the slide. Okay, I stopped it.
Wow. See, look at Daddy.
Help.
It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about the love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I lost tonight. It's all about the dreams I've had. It's all about the life.
No, Daddy can.
She wants you to go do it.
Daddy.
Oh, where do you want to go?
Dororo.
Are you dancing?
It's all about the life.
Oh, see? What did Daddy say?
Careful.
It's
Yeah.
all
See?
about the
Moving.
love I wanna hold. It's all about my heart I
Yeah, I'll push her.
lost tonight.
She wants you to sit. She wants to sit on your lap, maybe. Oh, she wants to push you? Are you gonna push Daddy?
It's all about the dreams.
He's too heavy.
It's all
You wanna
about
sit on
the
my lap?
life and death. It's all about
Do you want to sit on Daddy's lap? And then he'll push the both of you?
Just sit here. Come in the front. No, come in.
Oh, you want me to sit? Okay, sit.
almost lost.
Yeah, where are you? I can't see your face. Are you gonna push me? Say hi.
This
Oh,
circles
I can't see your face. I literally can't see it.
Daddy.
Sit.
Oh, you moved.
Push it. Sit.
I'll push myself.
I think I lost my mind in something that can't be
It's a
found.
nice day today. Beautiful.
It's all about the lies I've told. It's all about love. I wanna
Kind of
hold.
dangerous.
It's all about my heart.
I mean, everything is dangerous, but like.
tonight.
Look at Daddy. I used to climb over that.
It's all about the dreams.
These ones shake.
It's all about life and death. It's all about my fears I left behind. told. It's all about.
That one's always broken though, isn't it? It's all...
Someone fat. Got it out. Wait.
These are high.
Let's go.
You're going on the big swings for big kids?
Going on a big one. Yeah, I will do it.
Well, this is high off the ground. Okay, I'll sit. One is really in your face.
Hold on, hold on.
Jeez.
So hold on tight.
This is kind of high. Where am I gonna put
Yeah, I will. Yeah.
Okay. Wait, oh jeez. Hold on. This is high. Okay. Well, uh-oh. Yeah. Kuruma. Oh, we didn't sanitize this. Oops. We forgot to sanitize the swings.
Alec.
My feet don't touch the ground. I don't know if you can see it, but... Oh my gosh. My feet don't touch the ground.
Did you go on?
I'm right here.
You want to see the rope there? Let's go.
Where?
Hey, let's go check the rock.
Okay.
Oh, look at the rock.
There's snow on my bag. Well, it's my sister's, but you can't see it. Well, that was my fault. I put it on the ground anyway. Are you scared? Kawhi?
Look, we can
Wow.
climb here. Look,
Okay.
look here.
Wow. Oh, these ones are hard. They hurt your hands.
Look, do this. Take a picture of
Yeah, you see a bike? Smile. Smile. Are you singing?
drop down.
Oh, you're scared?
Drop. Yee-hee, yup.
My balance is off. Alright, I'm gonna have to wash my hands when I get home because I'm touching all these things. Well, I'm gonna fall. Scratch that. Dude, what? That's kind of high. Oh, jeez. Guts. Alright, let's walk over here. I love how it looks. My butt feels bad. What are you doing? Are you tying his shoe?
Oh, wow.
It's already
I
tied.
told him Tati's running out of juice and she's like, she's tying my shoe.
She thinks she's tying it.
Daddy.
Shoe.
Oh. There she goes again. I'm gonna try this one. This one's safer for you because you're so small. Ew, don't stick out your tongue. Are you gonna kick my phone? Wow, you're going high.
Hi, big sky.
You wanna go higher?
You want to go higher?
Higher, oh, wow.
Whee!
She's not afraid. Look, I'm looking. Don't worry.
Look, we're higher.
Are you scared?
You scared?
All right. Do you want to go home? Oh, your legs. Hold on, let me help you. Be careful, bend your legs. Don't keep them straight. There you go. My goodness. Are you done?
You done?
Or do you want to play more? I'm running out of memory on my
I'm
phone.
running out of food.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. You hungry?
Hi, hungry. I'm Isabella.
I'm Lazar. Approve this message. Okay, you sit.
Sit. Wants to play with her dolls. Who do you want to play?
Where you wanna put them in the shop?
It's wet. You don't want to put it there. Don't put it on the ground either.
Come with Anna and Elsa. You can play with them here. Play with them together.
Follow Daddy.
Ay, look. Look. Yeah, no. Slide with them.
You want them to sit? Oh, jeez. She's a big butt. She's looking at the kids. Oh my god, that kid's climbing the thingy. That's so dangerous.
Come on, let's go here.
Okay, what do you want? More slide? Oh, don't put her on the ground. Do you want help? I'm on the swings alone. And my feet won't touch the ground. I didn't sanitize the swing, I forgot. But I'm already on it, so too late. Ooh, the leaves are blowing. They're all dead, but they've been here for a while. I'm not excited for spring. This is literally like one of the first snows of the year. And it's 2020, it's March. Usually we should have a lot of snow around this time still. And then we'd have to make a lot of days up at school. But you know, Mother Nature decided not to. Unfortunately. Those two are having fun. I'm hungry. I want a sandwich. BLT preferably. Maybe some Panera bread. But you know, we're not leaving for a while. Because of my sister. I'm so hungry. When am I not? Oh, jeez. I'm probably making you guys... You can hit your head like that. Be careful. Yeah, yeah.